This, we believe,
to be a condor.
is a condor.
Can you hear it?
I hope that on the video you can hear the sound of this immense bird that has been circling us for the last few minutes. It may think that we are carrion or something of the sort. This is phenomenally impressive. I believe there's a song that we're supposed to sing called El Condor Pasa.
I don't know that song.
Oh, really? It's a... Oh, I don't even know it either. Look at the whites on the back of that bird. Oh my god. Whatever it is, if it's not a condor,
it's the biggest bird I've ever seen.
The biggest bird I've ever seen. Agreed.
I feel like I'm in a nature documentary.
Would you like to put your face close to the camera?
And now we see the condor, the mighty condor, cruising through the Andes.
Oh, I could have zoomed. I didn't know.
Zoom.
I didn't know.
Is it leaving?
It got blurry.
It was so close to us.
Hi, condor.